I'm Travis Patterson. My background, I was in the Marine Corps for a very long time as a helicopter pilot, and then retired and was very fortunate to join the team here at Halo Flight.
Halo 1, that's a good copy.
We are the sole air ambulance provider for a 28,000 square mile area across South Texas.
Roger that. Halo 2, show you safe on deck at Beeville.
Soon to be 6 helicopters, 54 employees. We fly Bell at Halo Flight because we've had a very long-standing relationship with Bell. We've been very satisfied with their maintenance support, their customer support, and the aircraft themselves. I mean, the Bell 407 GXI is probably, if not already, will soon become one of the most common helicopter air ambulance aircraft in the country. I mean, there's other operators that have purchased more than 30 of these things.
All right. I'm Richie Kittrell with Helicopter Express. I'm the Chief Operating Officer and the Director of Operations.
The APX.
We're probably one of the first commercial vendors with an APX. We're definitely the first ones fighting fire with it in the States. With those demands, you know, these are not aircraft that they're in the field for 120, 180 days. There's no option for downtime without consequences. It's not like I broke my helicopter, I'll have to drive. It's I broke my helicopter, now the houses are going to burn.
What we have to do is do everything we can to minimize the time the aircraft are out of service waiting on a part. Because right now we have an extra one, but let's say we had another issue with an aircraft and now we're down to 2. Now I don't want to have to close a base because we can't get a part. So the CAP program is just another level of insurance that makes sure that when we need something, we're going to get it. So yeah, it was an easy decision to get the new ones on CAP and just stick with the CAP program. We've been enrolled in it since the beginning with the GXIs, and I'll tell you why we stayed with it, the priority. So we're a CAP customer, we're going to get a part.
Our Bell support has been outstanding for these things. The EPX especially, this thing is new to the system. We're going back to that relationship stuff. Hey Scott, we need X, Y, and Z.
That also says something for the reliability and parts. They're great aircraft here in South Texas. We're at sea level, they got plenty of power. They're just a good aircraft to operate.